Ready, set, get, thinker. And then cooking class. Still six little.
Using the book we got from Bookchigo, namili si Sophie dito ng pwede niyang gamitin na recipe for her baon. And ito yung napili niya, pasta.
That was my kitchen.
Make sure when you whisk it, you hold your bowl. And this one you can touch. Ay, excuse me. You feel it? And it's a bit hot. Touch this part, it's metal. Could burn you. So this part now. Put na your egg. You try. Inside. Okay. Don't hold it, baka mahulog yung pan. So you have to hold it on this part lang. Pinagluto ko din pala siya ng egg para ibaon niya, para lang enough yung protein niya. Okay, I'll remove this, Sophie. The surface is hot, okay? If you do like that, you can feel it. Gonna touch mo na, ha? So, you are going to cut the shrimp into smaller pieces. Feels like when it's not yet cooked. So, this is her first time touching raw shrimp. At first, gusto nga lang niya gamitin yung knife to scoop it out. Sabi ko, if you want to cook talaga, you need to feel your food. Medyo nagulat siguro siya nung una kasi parang medyo slimy, diba? Tapos, medyo malamig pa. So, sabay naming hinawakan para malipat dito sa chopping board niya. And then, tignan nyo, super proud siya na nakakat niya on her own. Yung knife na gamit pala niya is pangbata talaga. For kasi, may mga ganitong activity din siya, pero more on fruits lang yung kinakat niya. So, ang galing lang kasi kaya din pala niya makat yung shrimp. Sobrang cute kasi tignan niya naman ang focus niya, oh.
Getting like the full swim.
Turning what color? From gray, it's turning red or orange. Habang naluluto, napansin niya, parang nagbabago yung color ng shrimp. Nagto-turn daw sa kung ano yung usual color na nakikita niya kapag nakahain na sa table. So yun, very nice din na may mga ganito siyang observations.
Something good na.
Yeah,
Smelling good.
Yung ingredients na sinabi sa cookbook, ayan, broccoli, then corn. Kaso wala kaming corn lang. Kaya naglagay kami nung mixed veggies na frozen. Sarap, Milo Hida.
So cute too.
Wala pang ano, timpla. Yeah, sige, go.
Thank you. Bye.
Yummy. This is what Sophie cooked. Oh, yun lang. Till our next cooking series with Sophie.
Sapla!